Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things what you're doing, and in my head I'll paint a picture. 'Cause since I've come home, well, my body's been a mess, and I've missed your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, did you have to go to jail? Put your heart out of cell? Did you get a good lawyer? Hope you didn't catch a tan. Hope you find the right man who'll fix it for you. And are you shining anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? And did you have to go that fine? Did you dog in all the time? Are you still dizzy? 'Cause since I've come home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come